My name is Hassan Abou Jawhar. I'm the Regional Director of AMCA International. I would say that, of course, there's focusing on IoT and all of this. It's really important for our industry, but we also diving deep into our products. So we currently see a lot of, for instance, a shift to a newer motor, for example. So when you have, let's say, fans, we have newer motors shifting from AC to EC motors that are also direct driven fans, for instance. So we see more a shift towards that. Also what we call, there is sensors as well for fans. So this is something that in a lot of industries, the sensors we use simply like a diagnosis. So you include those sensors, for instance, in the fans, and that would be able to analyze, of course, with smart data. It will analyze the performance of the fan. So that would gain a lot of time, I would say, and resources. Instead of, okay, there's an issue, let's say, with the fan, then you have to go on site, see what is the problem. So this is really something that is, I would say, a powerful tool that would really help advance, towards newer technologies. So yeah, these are, I would say, the main focal points. I would say one major point or one major aspect is, especially in our industry, AMCA created a fan energy index, which is commonly known as FEI. So basically this is an efficiency metric, and it enables to calculate the consumption, so from wire to air, we call that when it comes to fans. So you take into account the fan, you take into account the motor, you take into account the drive, and then at low, I would say, not peak total efficiency, and that would help actually assessing. What that usually does, so it has a lot of benefits. So when you're installing or when you have a high performance air system in a building, then FEI actually helps you select the fans that consume less energy. And of course, that would contribute to your, so from the products, that would help give you confidence on the product, but also that would translate into the system. So definitely that's a huge point for that. And of course, with less energy and your products will run quieter, for example, the high performance air systems, that would mean that they'll run quieter. It gives better comfort to the occupants, because that's also one aspect that is important. Also, you focus on the indoor air quality, and of course that would result in less energy consumption as a whole. So definitely, if you focus, there are a few rules for high performance air systems. If you focus on those, FEI is one of the major ones, then you would definitely, your high performance air system will be energy efficient, will have a low life cycle cost, and of course will contribute to combat climate change on the long run.